When considering upgrades to your home, it's easy to overlook the impact that window replacement can have on both your living environment and the planet. For homeowners in Taylor homes, replacing outdated windows is not only a smart investment for enhancing energy efficiency and comfort but also a significant step toward reducing your ecological footprint. Here's a closer look at how modern window replacements can benefit the environment and why they're a sustainable choice for Taylor homes. Energy efficiency and reduced carbon footprint. Older windows, especially single-pane models or those with poor insulation, are notorious for letting conditioned air escape. This forces HVAC systems to work harder, consuming more energy and driving up utility bills. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technologies, such as low emissivity, low E coatings and double or triple glazing, to minimize heat transfer. For residents of Taylor homes, this means less energy is needed to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Lower energy consumption translates directly to reduced greenhouse gas emissions, making window replacement a practical way to combat climate change while saving on energy costs. Enhanced insulation reduces waste. Windows with poor insulation often result in drafts and uneven room temperatures, leading to overuse of heating and cooling systems. By upgrading to high-performance windows, homeowners in Taylor homes can achieve better temperature regulation, reducing the strain on HVAC units and extending their lifespan. Moreover, efficient insulation reduces energy waste, aligning with broader environmental goals. The less energy wasted, the fewer resources are consumed in its production, which is a win for both your wallet and the planet. Recyclable materials and sustainable manufacturing. Modern window manufacturers increasingly prioritize sustainability. Many high-quality windows are made from materials such as recycled glass, aluminum, and vinyl. These materials not only minimize waste but also ensure durability, reducing the need for frequent replacements. For homeowners in Taylor homes, choosing windows from environmentally conscious manufacturers further supports sustainability efforts. Additionally, some companies offer recycling programs for old windows, preventing them from ending up in landfills and giving materials a second life. Improved natural lighting reduces artificial light usage. New windows can significantly enhance the amount of natural light in your home. Advanced designs incorporate larger panes and slimmer frames, allowing more sunlight to enter your space. In Taylor homes, where natural beauty is a key feature, maximizing daylight can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. This simple change not only lowers electricity usage but also creates a healthier and more inviting living environment. Exposure to natural light has been linked to improved mood and productivity, making it an all-around benefit for your household. Condensation control protects indoor air quality. Old or inefficient windows are prone to condensation, which can lead to mold and mildew growth. These issues not only damage your home but also harm indoor air quality, posing health risks to your family. Replacing windows with high-performance models that include moisture-resistant coatings can mitigate this problem. In Taylor homes, where humidity can be a concern, maintaining good indoor air quality is essential for health and comfort. By investing in new windows, you're not only protecting your family but also reducing the need for chemical cleaners and dehumidifiers, which can contribute to environmental pollution. Contribution to local sustainability goals. Many communities, including Taylor Homes, are adopting sustainability initiatives to lower overall environmental impact. By choosing energy-efficient window replacements, you're actively contributing to these efforts. Your home becomes part of a larger movement toward eco-friendly living, demonstrating the collective power of individual actions. Long-term financial and environmental savings. While the upfront cost of window replacement might seem significant, the long-term savings, both financial and environmental, are undeniable. Reduced energy bills, fewer repairs, and lower maintenance costs add up over time. Meanwhile, the positive environmental impact of lower energy consumption and less waste benefits the planet for years to come. Conclusion. Window replacement in Taylor Homes isn't just about upgrading your property, it's about embracing a sustainable lifestyle. From reducing energy consumption to improving air quality and supporting recyclable materials, new windows offer a myriad of environmental benefits. By making this eco-friendly choice, you're investing in the future of your home, your community, and the planet. For Taylor Homes residents looking to make a meaningful change, upgrading your windows is a simple yet impactful step. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable and cost-efficient home, but you'll also be part of a broader effort to protect the environment for generations to come.